Walking around the show floor here in Hanoi, one thing is critical clear. Vietnam's electronic manufacturing market is booming. As global supply chains shift, Vietnam is becoming a premium manufacturing hub. Demand for automated, smart production lines is exploding, with higher standards for quality control and AI inspection. Riding this wave, DZ is expanding its global footprint. We bring not only proven AI inspection equipment to Vietnam, but also build local technical support and fast service systems rooted in high-precision manufacturing, serving the global electronics industry. DZ will keep empowering clients worldwide with reliable inspection solutions. If you are interested in DZ equipment, please feel free to contact us.
Công ty thiết bị Đức Chí tại Việt Nam